Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful crochet coasters ideas, and you will see fruit coasters in this video. All of them are very attractive and beautiful. You will see watermelon, guava, peach, lemon and orange and apple fruit coasters in this video. All of them are very beautiful and are having different crochet patterns. Most of them are having a single crochet stitch as major stitch to make them, and you will see double crochet stitch and half double crochet stitch designs of fruit coasters in this video also. So if you like these designs of coasters, then just give this video a big thumbs up and just watch this video till the end to get all ideas, because all of them are having very beautiful and attractive patterns, and these are in different sizes, so you can just make them in different sizes with different color schemes. You can see all of these designs are having different color schemes, and very beautiful and attractive leaves are added on most of these coasters. So if you like them, then just stay connected to get more videos like this also if you are new to my channel. And after press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon and then all option also to get the notifications of future uploads from this channel. So just stay connected and also share this video with other crochet lovers in your circle so that they can also get benefit from these type of videos. You can just make them by yourself at home with the help of picture if you know crochet work, because all of these designs are beginner friendly and you can easily make them with the help of picture. So just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make. Or if you don't know crochet work or you are a beginner of crochet work, you can also visit my other channel Crochet and Embroidery, where some of the tutorial videos of apple coaster, lemon coaster and other different crochet coasters are available. So you can just visit my other channel to get the tutorial videos of different coasters pattern. So visit my channel Crochet and Embroidery for the tutorial videos and get the ideas videos on this channel too. If you want tutorial video on this channel, just let me know in the comments. I will make tutorial videos for you on this channel also. So just stay connected and share your opinion about different ideas videos and crochet items videos on this channel, and let me know in the comments if you want any specific video related to ideas or related to tutorial of crochet work on this channel. I will make it on your request. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.